Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x times x minus x equal x times x. 99% get this wrong. So let's solve this pattern puzzle. So here this dot represent the multiplication. So this x times x, I can write it as x cube and x times x as x square. So let's rewrite. So our equation become x cube minus x equal x square. Now bring all the terms to one side. So x cube minus x square minus x equals 0. Now factorize. So I can take x as common. So x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. So there are two factors. So either x is equals to 0 or x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. So I am going to use quadratic formula here, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of x square 1, b is coefficient of x minus 1 and c is also minus 1. So let's put the value. So x is equals to minus minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square is 1 and minus 4 minus 1 is plus 5 plus 4 sorry by 2. So x is equals to 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So the value of x is x1 is 0, x2 is 1 plus root 5 by 2 and x3 is 1 minus root 5 by 2. So did you get it right? Comment your answer, and if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.